In this video, I will explain how to build a frequency distribution using Microsoft Excel. So the first that I did was to generate a data set of 100 numbers. All these numbers are between 20 and 80, and the numbers were generated with the function run between. So the syntax of the function run between is very simple. So you say equals run between the bottom number, comma, the top number, close, and then you can generate like that a random number between 20 and 80. I can just generate more random numbers here if I just extend these to other cells. All these values will be always between 20 and 80. So that was what I did to generate the 100 numbers in my data set. Now, when you want to do a frequency distribution, you must define also the bins. So I will say that I have here the bins 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70. When you define these bins, it will give you, or it will give you, in this case, for these 5 bins, six classes. The first class will be the class of the numbers that are less than or equal to 30. Later, we will have the numbers that are between 31 and 40, between 41 and 50, between 51 and 60, between 61 and 70, and the numbers that are greater than or equal to 70. This is, the number of classes and the meaning of each class in this case. So to generate my frequency distribution, I will just use the function frequency. So the data rate is just my data set of 100 values. And then I have to put a comma and then my bins array. I will close the parentheses, say equal, and here I have my frequencies. Now, I will now put the meaning of each of the classes, or just I will call the different classes. So these are the numbers less than or equal 30. This is between 31 and 40. This is between 41 and 50, between 51 and 60, between 61 and 70, and the values that are greater than or equal 70. So these are gonna be, in this case, the classes, and in this other column we have the frequencies, and here we have a frequency distribution with 6 classes for the data set of 100 values. Next, double check that in total we have 100 values. We add all these numbers, and yes, the total is 100. In the next video, I will explain now how to construct a histogram from these frequency distribution.